Paper is another common issue that that you could place a service call for. However, you can fix a lot of it. One of the main reasons, people sometimes put paper in backwards. I know that sounds strange, but if you look on your ream of paper, it should tell you which side is to print first. So you want to load all your paper out of the ream. You want to load the whole ream. You do not want to take halves. That's what you want to do, the whole ream. And I've already loaded some in here so you can see it. But you want to make sure that you load the correct side of the paper. And for this machine, you will have to ask your technician which side is print side first. So this one, you would want to load this one upside down. You would take the ream off, take the paper off, and drop it down in, and you want to make sure your guides are, you don't need to force them, but you need to securely put them up against the paper. And when it does, the machine itself will read what size paper. If you were to put this paper in and not have the guides up against it, you're going to look for a jam. Also, if you do not drop the paper in correctly, if you have a sheet folded over underneath and the paper becomes uneven, that will also cause a paper jam. So you should always check to make sure that your paper is in the machine correctly before you place a service call, or you're getting jams throughout your machine.